Yo, what up, guys? I just did a quick draw with this 22 revolver. It was in my pocket. I pulled it out and shoot it, and I hit a target. Dude.
That is crazy, bro. I was not expecting that.
Dude, you should have told me to be filming, man.
Yeah, I wish I was.
No, you gotta try it. Well, I got better pockets than you. Wait.
I'll just.
Oh, right here. Yeah. That's something I'm never gonna forget right there. The very first quick draw with the real pistol. I just hit the target.
Not bad. That is crazy, bro.
Subscribe to my channel, Zombie HGU.
Oh, is that all our ammo?
Well, no, we got like 2 more boxes, but if you want to try quick draw yourself, you can do that.
Wait,
I mean,
what?
If you want to go in and get yourself like a gun holster patch, so you can.
Yeah, we have plenty of holsters, but yeah, next time when Shorty's here, we can shoot something bigger, like the 44 lever action, or something big. But I reckon we'll call it a day.
Shut up, Rooster.
Oh, that was fun, dude.
First shot, you ricocheted. The first shot, you ricocheted to hit it.
Yeah. Damn.
Wait until Emma Shell hears about
Which ones are the trash ones?
Oh, this was the trash one.
Just that one?
Well, there's a second box.
Oh, it's in my pocket.
Shut up, Rooster.
Okay, you bring the ammo, I'll bring this. You get the revolver too, alright?
Oh, yeah.
You just pointed it right at me, dog.
Is it free?
Is he clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Oh, look at that cool one.
Bruh. I didn't even actually like do this. I already had my hand on the gun itself. I think it's heavy for being a pistol.
Oh wait, the ear protection? Yeah, put it right here. Oh, that's too good, Eddie.
Smells good.
Don't tell me that. Oh, everything's so loud. Not yet.
We shot the neighbors though. Oh, I should probably show you guys.
Oh, that's pretty good. I think it's better at hip fire than it is iron sights. We brought 2 magazines.
Take this back to Nick.
Yeah. Where'd you put the ammo?
I put it on the shelf. It's right behind you. On that corner.